Hello my dear students, good morning everyone. Today we have to discussing about this very important chapter going, that is linear equations in one variable, that inside exercise 3.6. Today we have to discussing about exercise 3.6. Already know how to doing the equation, how to solve the equations, how to doing the verification already over. Here how to doing 3.6 inside, how is giving the question, how to solve the equations. That is very important. First, watch my video. After like this one, you have to click button. And which concept if you not understood, ask me again or time explain. Okay? So okay. Now today our class is there. There is the first question is what is there? 3.6 inside first question. What is there? See here. So, solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. So, this is first question is there. First equations and first question. The first equation is there. First equation, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2 is there, is equal to 2. How to solve the equation? This is very important. See here, what is there here? Is a fraction system is given, this is here, the whole number is given, nothing inside. Don't confuse them. So very simple mathematics. I solve in simple method. See here, what is there? Sulochana, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. Whatever the denominator is 1. Now we have to do cross multiplication. This side is multiplication, this side is multiplication. 1 into the bracket, 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into the bracket 3x. This side is multiplication, this side is multiplication. 1 is what will come? This only. 1 8 is 8x minus plus into minus minus 1 3 is 3 is equal to 2 3 is 6x. So here also x, here also x. X you take one side. So 8x transfer RHS to LHS plus 6x is there becomes minus 6 is equal to minus 3 is there transfer in RHS side plus 3. So 8x minus 6x 2x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 by 2. This multiplied is there, become divided. So this is the answer. Like this we have to solve the equation. Very simple. What is the inside? Nothing. Mathematics is very simple. Understood my students? Next, second one. Second one is there. 9x divided by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. So, how to solve this? The same method, same simple numbers only changes. Solution. So, 9x divided by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Whatever denominator 1 and cross multiplication. 15 into this, 15 into the bracket 7 minus 6x is equal to 9x into 1. 9x into 1. So this one simplify this first. Monomial to binomial multiplication 57 7 5 is 35, carry 3, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 3, 10, plus into minus, minus 15 6 is 90. So 15 6 is 90, x is there, x is equal to 9x, 9 into 1, 9x. Now, so numbers is there, 105. Here also x is there. Minus 90x transfer in RHS side. 9x minus 90x is the transfer in RHS side plus 90x. So 105 is equal to 90x plus 9x plus 90x, 99x. So this one 99x is equal to 105. Here is the x reverse, like reverse like this. Both are equal means what? First you have to write this one, after you have to write this one. See here. So third one, z divided by z plus 15. Z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So what are you doing now here? This and this what you multiply? 9 into z. 9 into z is equal to 4 into the bracket z plus 15. 4 into the bracket z plus one step you have to take here downside. First one step to take. Sulochana z divided by z plus 15. So is equal to 4 by 9. Now we have to do cross multiplication. 9 into z is equal to 4 into the bracket z plus 15. So this one how to doing here, simplify this. 9 into z, 9z. So is equal to 4 into z, 4z. So plus into plus plus, 15 4s are 16. So now here also z, 9z plus 4z is z transfer in LHS side, minus 4z. So is equal to 16. So 9 minus 4, 9z minus 4z. So what z? 5z. So is equal to 60. So z is equal to 60 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So what remaining here? 5 2s are 10. So z is equal to what remain? 12. Z is equal to 12. So like this we have to simplify the equation. How to solve the equation. Are understood my dear students? This is very simple mathematics. Very simple mathematics. Okay? Now next, fourth one. How to solve the equation? Fourth one. See here. So fourth one, 3y plus 4 divided by 3y plus 4 is 2 minus 6y. 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. So how to solve the equation? Very simple, my dear student. Technique, using the technique. Cross multiplication. Nothing inside. See, Sulochana, 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5 is there. Now cross multiplication. What multiplication? Cross multiplication. What to do? 5 into the bracket 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 into the bracket 2 minus 6y. Nothing inside. Over. So minus 2 into the bracket 2 minus 6y. 5 into the bracket 3y plus 4. Nothing inside. Cross multiplication. Now simplify this. 5 is 15. Y is there. Y. Plus into plus plus. 4 5 is 20. Is equal to minus into plus minus. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus. 2 6 are 12. Y is there. 1. Now number one side. And variable one side. Here also y is there. Here also y is there. 15y plus 4y is there. Transfer in LHS side. Minus 4y is equal to minus 2 is a constant number. Plus 20 is there. Transfer in RHS side. Plus 20 transfer in RHS side. Plus becomes minus 20. So 15y minus 4y 3y is equal to minus, both side minus is there, keep the minus sign. After adding the number 4 plus 20, 24. Now, so y is equal to minus 24 divided by this 3 divided by 3. So y is equal to 3 ones are 3 8s are 24. Minus 8 by 1 means what? Minus 8. This is the answer, my dear student. So like this we have to doing the and solve the equation. See how much simple is there. Very simple mathematics. Right? First try to understand the concept of what is there inside. How to solve the equation. That is very important. Okay? Yes. Now 21y minus 4y is there, transferring LHS side, plus 4y minus, when you transfer in LHS plus, so is equal to minus 8 is there, minus 8, so plus 12 is there, transferring RHS side, plus becomes minus 12, so nothing, so is equal to 21y plus 4y, 25y is equal to minus 8 minus 2, both side minus is there, in the minus sign, so 12 plus 8, 20, so like this we are doing, so is equal to 25y is equal to minus 20, so y is equal to minus 20 by 25, so now y minus 20 divided by 25, now it's 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, so y is equal to minus 4 by 5, so like this we have to simplify and solve the equations, my dear students. See how much simple is there. Okay, so like this we have to doing the problems, nothing inside, very simple technique and very easy problem, how to doing the concept. Okay, are you understood, my dear students? Yes. So continue, that is there, continue the sixth question, first bit inside sixth question is there, so continue fifth one or sixth one, application problem. Now again the application problem came. Now the ages of Hari and Harry, ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio is given 5:7, ages of Hari and Harry is not given, to take x, and ratio is given 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages is given, will be given 3:4. So find their present ages and their present ages. So very simple is there, my dear students, nothing is there inside. How to solve the equation? See here. So what is given? First you have to write the solution. So what is there? Let the present age of Hari and Harry, present age of Hari and Harry. So not even on the ratio is given, means what you taking 5x and 7x respectively. What lovely? Respectively, not a fair and lovely, right? So let the present age of Hari and Harry is 5x and 7x. So ratio is given 5:7. The ages of Hari and Harry is not given. Let the present age of x means what? 5x, 7x, 7x. You take that. Now next is what is the read the question. What is the continue? 4 years from now. So what is it? 4 years from now. What happened 4 years from now? So what happened here? Nothing. 4 years from now. 4 years from now, age of Hari. What happened is equal to from now. Now means what? 5x plus 4. 4 years from now. 4 years from now. There is both the ages Hari and Harry, and age of Harry is equal to 7x plus 4. Both ages 4 years from now. Both ages what is it? 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. 5 years from now. Now means addition. And the continue is there. From now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So according to this statement, is very important. Don't confusion. Let the present Plus into plus plus 4 4s are 16. Am I right, my dear students? Next 21x. Here also 20x is a transfer in LHS side. Minus 20x is equal to 16 plus 12 is a transfer in LHS side. Minus 12. So 21x minus 20x 1x is equal to 16 minus 12. So that is 4. That is 4x came now. The percentages of Hari and Nadu are into 5x and 7x. So here, therefore, so what you are writing on dialogue? Last dialogue is there. Last dialogue is there. Therefore, the present, age of Hari is 5x, so is equal to 5 into, so 4 came from 5x is there, that is 5x, so 5 into what came 4 is equal to 4 5s are 20 years, and the present age of Hari is, what is it, 7x is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 7 4s are 28 years. So both the Hari is 20 years and Hari is 28 years, the present age of Hari and Hari. So like this we have to find out in the ages of Hari and Hari. We will take in your home also inside both the name, like this we take the ratios, how to find out, will come the answer. Like this how to find out the, like this all the equations. Now next question is there, last one question is there, how to solve the numerator and denominator, how to doing this one method. So I will explain. Last one question is there. Hello my dear students, this is last question in exercise 3.6 inside. So last question is what is there, the denominator of a rational number, denominator, for example this is x is there, this is y is there, for example let's say the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8, so this is plus 8, so numerator place is what is there, x, the greater is what is there, numerator by 8 is there. So denominator of a rational number is greater, denominator is greater by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17, increased numerator is what, plus 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, decreased denominator decreased means what, minus 1, the number is obtained is 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 is equal to, this is also take x increased by 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So equation ready. Like we have to give by difference nothing inside. So Sulochana, what is given? Let the what dialogue is very important. Let the rational number be. Let the rational number be what? So a denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator. Numerator means what is nothing. X divided by the denominator of a rational number is greater than by how much? 8. So x plus 8. So now according to this question, what happens here? According to this question. So what happened? So it let the rational number is what is there? X divided by x plus 8, and read the question. Numerator by 8 greater than, denominator should be greater is there. It is a numerator. Numerator is what is there? X. Denominator is there. Plus by 8 is there. If the numerator is increased by 17, so numerator plus increase means what? Plus 17, increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased. Denominator is decreased by 1, minus 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. not x. Is greater number is what is the denominator of the rational number is greater by how much? 8, x plus 8. And according to this statement, so numerator is increased by 17. Numerator is increased means what? Plus 17. And the denominator is decreased by minus 11. Decreased. X plus 8 is there. X plus 8. So decreased means what? Minus 1. Is equal to this obtained result is given 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now this cross multiplication. This 3 into the bracket, this 2 into the bracket, this 3 into the bracket. Here 3 into the bracket. X plus 8 minus 1. 3 into the bracket. So first you have to simplify here. Don't here cross multiplication you have to go through. First you have to simplify. See here one step. X plus 17 divided by x 8 minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now cross multiplication. 3 into the bracket x plus 7 is equal to 3 into the bracket x plus 7, 2 into the bracket x plus 7, 2 into the bracket x plus 7. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 7s are 21. So is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus into plus plus 2 7s are 14. Now what are you doing? Here nothing is there. Nothing means how to doing this one. That is very important, my dear students. So here, here 17 is there, here 17 is there, 17, 2 into the bracket, 17 is there, 17 is there. 17 2s are 34, 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 1 are 2 plus 1, 3, 34, 17 is there, 17 is there, here also write 17. So now 3x plus 2x is there, transferring the left side, minus 2x is equal to 34, plus 21 is there, transferring the left side, minus 21. So 3x minus 2x, 1x is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So x is equal to 13 came. So numerator plus x came. So therefore denominator is equal to denominator plus what is the denominator is equal to what is there? X plus 8 is equal to x value what is came? 13 plus 18. So 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 31. So what is came now? 31 came. So what is the x plus 8? Sorry, 18 I have done. Sorry, my dear students. Sorry, for 8 is there. Sorry for distance. 18 plus 2, 21. So 21. So therefore, so what is it? Find the rational number. The rational number is numerator x 13k and denominator x plus denominator is equal to x plus 8. So 21. So x divided by x plus so x is what is there? 13 divided by 21. This is the answer. The rational number is 13 divided by 21. So like this we have to find out the applications problem. Nothing inside. So first you have to read the question. First try to understand the question. So question inside what is there? Given data is very important. Given came now automatically like this now solve the equations, my dear students. Are you understood? Okay. So all the best. Do practice. Any doubt is there? Ask. Okay. Right? All the best.